Hey everyone, Matt here, back with my Cybertruck, and I wish I could be bringing you good news about this hunk of metal, but that is not the case. Although I am not experiencing the issue yet myself, there is a bit of a problem going on amongst the Cybertruck community with the PCS, the power conversion system in the Cybertruck. So we're going to talk about what's going on, what you can do, if anything, preemptively, and what to look for if your PCS is failing. I had to step inside my truck because it's currently raining, as it usually is when I decide to film. So the PCS, the power conversion system, is one of the most important components of the Cybertruck and most electric vehicles. For the Cybertruck, it controls the conversion for lots of the different electronic systems on the truck. Converts DC so that you can properly AC charge. It converts DC power to the 48-volt battery, which controls the onboard electronics. It controls the output to the outlets and the bed and inside the cabin. So it does a lot of things. And when this fails, you're going to run into a few major issues. The most important one being AC charging is either limited or is not working at all. So the first thing that lots of users are reporting is that their output, the ampage out, is reduced from 48 to 24. So you can't charge any faster than 24 amps. That's the first symptom. So if you're experiencing that, I would immediately try to put in a service ticket with Tesla and see if they can kind of get you on the list for repair. I'll talk about that in a minute. So that's the first thing to go. At a certain point, AC charging is going to stop completely, will not work. Lots of the codes that are thrown, if you go into service and look at what's going on your truck, they're going to say PCS2. There's going to be some error codes with those letters and number in it. So that's what to look for. If AC charging just is not working suddenly, or you're reduced to 24 amps, that's probably a big sign that something's going on with the PCS. At that point, DC charging should still work. And what Tesla is doing while they're trying to get people in for appointments is they are giving people free supercharging. So if your AC charging is not functioning, at least they're giving users DC fast charging so you can go to a supercharger and charge your car. Obviously, nowhere near as convenient as charging from home. And the other big problem with this is the part is delayed quite a bit. And some people have been reporting a month or maybe 6 weeks, maybe more, of getting their truck in for repair. So the supercharging, the free supercharging, is just to kind of aid that time in which you may not have AC charging, so you can at least fast charge. But that is not going to last forever, and there's going to be a certain point in time which the DC charging does not work at all. So having an electric vehicle that cannot charge is a bit of an issue. So I'm kind of lying in wait to see what's going to happen. I have, let's see, I'll give you the official number here. I have 30,800 miles on the truck. And it doesn't seem to be that there is a mileage in which these issues start to crop up. I saw someone on Cybertruck Facebook group, he got the PCS replaced at 5,000 miles, 2025 model, 5,000 miles, and then again at like 25,000 miles. Had to replace twice. So the original fix did not correct anything. And the other thing, oddly enough, on the 2026 models, someone had reported that the basic warranty, which is typically 50,000 miles, they've up to 70,000 miles, and they include specifically the PCS in that warranty. Other issue with this, those people that are out of warranty, out of the 50,000 mile warranty, this part is quite expensive, and it's very labor intensive because it requires that the tech remove part of the tonneau cover, get in the truck bed. The compartment in which the PCS sits is on top of the battery. So you have to go in through the back of the truck bed and go down to access that part. So it's labor intensive and thus pricier. the out of warranty cost could be upwards of $5,000, which is insane. So we have not seen an official recall from Tesla yet. This is what really needs to happen, because anyone out of warranty should not be paying for this. And there's some folks that Tesla kind of gave them like some grace on the warranty, and they're only charging $1,000 for the repair. At this point in time, I saw that report online. So it needs to be a recall. I think we're going to see a recall. The crazy thing is, if you go on the VIN tracker link, which we'll include in the description, it's something like maybe over 65% of Cybertruck VINs are affected. This is tens of thousands of vehicles. There's only it looks like some later 2025 models that are not affected by this, but anyone driving, I have a mid-year 25, earlier 25, the later 2024 models, the Foundation Series, all these trucks are affected with this PCS problem. So I would be very surprised if we don't see a recall in the coming weeks. Unfortunately, I will ask when I go to my Tesla appointment. I have to get my tires rotated, and also I ripped off this piece of plastic under the fender. Went a little too hard on the pothole, but that happens. I have to go to Tesla next week, and I'm going to ask them, is this something that can be done preventatively? Like, can you replace the part? From what I've seen, because of the delays in the part, it doesn't seem like an option. So they're literally waiting for the PCS to go bad, limited AC charging or no AC charging. Then you can schedule your appointment. It may take weeks or a month to get in there. And in the meantime, maybe you get free supercharging, or you can get a loaner. It's kind of crazy. So I very much predict any day now that my AC charging is going to be limited. I've seen it's been really accelerated over the last month, where there's a couple Cybertruck Facebook groups, which there's tens of thousands of people within those groups, and I probably see 4 or 5 posts a day of someone saying, "Hey, my AC charging is limited," or this is going on. So it's pretty crazy. Thinking maybe could be some software thing. It just, the mileage is varies so much. It's not like we reach 30,000 miles and then there's an issue. I mean, some people have reported within the first 10,000 miles there being this problem with the PCS. So we're gonna wait and see. I'll keep you posted on what's going on with the truck. And never a dull moment in Cybertruck ownership land. So that's the video. See you guys. Let me know if you have a Cybertruck and you've had some of these PCS issues. What's Tesla offering to you? I'm just curious to hear. Thanks, guys.